Nyange murau. Mubveledzi ndichita yo. Dinema. Dinema.
The proof of it. So shout out to Mbudziso Thwii.
Two-time Chima winning artist.
That's what it is, yeah. Never mateki asupra manga.
Ngubona because yabumbula.
Hey, ayangangomu zino culture.
Yo, what do you do? This is your boy, man, Gale. Mr. Do this all the time. Welcome back. It's been a long time. The guys we are a poster. Busy. We are back with the new show, Mbudziso Thwii. Yeah, only will be asking artists zashukanaba yenivashu random questions. Nyange murau. Mubveledzi ndichita yo. Dinema. Dinema. Ndozona chita gongo ngafa. The male version of chita gong. B-Town Mayor BATONDY Mujia.
What it is. Thank you so much for having me. Resume says Tshivenda.
Hi. Anything goes. Mbudziso Thwii. Yeah, the Tshivenda.
What do you do, Mbudziso Thwii? For sure, the episode 1.
Episode 1.
Guess
your top.
Episode 1 of Mbudziso Thwii with the one and only the B-Town Mayor, the hip-hop #1 artist in Venda as we speak. That's not arguable.
Yeah.
We've got the proof of it. So shout out to Mbudziso Thwii.
Two-time Chima winning artist.
That's what it is, yeah. 2 times Lima winning artist as well. So shout out to every viewer. I'm gonna shout out. This is the first episode of Mbudziso Thwii. So
100%, man.
They gotta bring the first man.
Nyange murau ndo amanda nanema. Kuntanganedza mamuna and kulibonga manda. You are our first guest. Sumazoria. It's going to be late.
Thank you so much.
Yani game namun. Yani game so.
Gave me. I think I'm trying there out. And you don't have to be chasing the cloud and everything. You're busy. You want to record Donisa guy. Gave me. Hey, as it's those relaxer, and you don't have to overdo it. You just have to know what you're doing.
Yeah. Ulimborando Toma, una recorder, nchenaro.
Yeah.
No mani gani secondary kada ni entry.
Ndandi facility.
Univene?
Yeah, ndandi univene. I think recorder ga inu. No recorder ga chino station of Emmanuel Morusi chino banjerere.
Bana.
Yeah, I remember that song. I'm a president and
So before that, nothing to record on a room or
T. And I remember that's why I'm a first lyrics and did the others win. Now and then the recorder bomb.
Hi,
they go for it. We have like a roll and stuff. This can't get you a much of fair. And I asked you, it.
I was very almost delete you.
And I think we don't delete or not, but it's fine.
When a director, I get it.
Yeah, I remember the fair. By that time, he was like, what time have you got on? I don't need this. Robber Vision is not preset.
Oh, it's not preset.
And they
that's what I'm going to So, which means from secondary, national
from secondary,
I
didn't even think I was going to be a singer. Maras by Bagaraka grade 12. Yeah, no aids.
Yeah.
No graduation, Zabakanya West. What was Umbrani for a strong amount of printer and lyrics? Yeah.
Sorry, that song, because it was your first song, as long as you don't only do me. But to Cassini and Novaria, this guy who came.
But that time, covering the house now, WhatsApp, I was in my Bluetooth.
Yeah.
So that's important, bad. Ndiko twambura ndikoimba atizasa ngodara nditambura ndikoimba pesenda nuruyimbo watu vakombekeza urusecherese so longito reba popular they could hear uromjita wa rap ngokono mpesa
kasini anga baruwana zvi
kasini anga vakurwana levoto muimba ngokono mpesa even though you used to like trakere blind ngamanda just me affect your tone
and as na watu vanjiveni vakuimba
ngokono sasa ngodara just me affect your tone ndikoimba sasa important ngamanda I don't know who can go to use a phone to you.
Also, preset to me.
Yes, so they need more, you understand? That's it already like the kind of popular local.
Univene, yan shape is a hano or never BATONDY one of
Univeni ndiye inoita uri hezvo zvithu zvitonaka
ari kwamba radio ne ari kwamba the university
ndozvifa
ari kuita na vatichers ngangenda
univeni yonishape because ndotangana kuti unanga veiwe womosky I could ndiyo nenda kunoona uri muzika it's not all about lyrics utevana zvinhu zvinofi studio session zvine zvaita uri creativity isingotostika veto kuti mumwe namumwe una ku-unique style kwawo kune akujenisa kha inu you become a bigger artist, you understand? Because veioni hazvidiwa rata vari ka-studio session line isi blind rihamba ari pangezvi mukonomvesa so that was a vibe ine yonshape too much nauri muthu asingotopfangwara ino blind ayet collaboration is also important because arandoimba nainu ini chikubva nabvaone ndikuona fene dzanu ndikuona fene dzanga, you understand? The way yonshape ana kauri azviyamburi ini muimbi ndichitsani fetu urina vatu vainji ndova ndingodhiviwa. You need to push as well.
You need to push.
Imagine univeni yana vatu vangani mara ndakachinga wenya 2 kilometers
ndisadhiviwa fi ndivatondi
mukonomvesa watotomangara kamusi rorwera voka freshers rafura stage
narwatreke treke dzine dzikuforekodwa anembo same day
vatu vanotozi embrace and vatu vandajina navo class ino masiyani yaimba, you understand? So ndizvo nanga
kamzi ndanga zviyambara ngori karabera chambara chinike chasera
bro
achambara like nema achizorera mari kumagona
ndovenda vana mateki asupra mangafu
ngongwana ikaziyaumbura
yangangomu zvino culture hip hop
and that's no fee the label if you
as long as baggy jeans
ngongwana no swagger no taminimere ngongwana so from Univen, we all know the stories. You have been to a lot of podcasts. Mara nyengo pfambu so ine vatu vanji vadzora kuibudzisa. Nimba genre review.
Ndingaso nimba genre review, but what I specialize in Venda hip hop, ito banga ngoma ropani, man, trap music is in the blood. Ndizozenda zvezwa nyidori ndivo popular. So ndizokufana zangu zinenda zikonesi. But now I get in each and every genre. One dia fita in. I thank God for the vocal that I have, man. Yakono jana wana umwe zwafita zwawina. So ningatori Venda hip hop, that's where I belong. Let's say hip hop in general, that's where I belong. But muzika mwana ngawimba, I've got a nice song, ya gospel, I've got a dope song, ya dance, I've got a dope song, ya jazz, I've got a dope song, ya R&B. So everywhere in their feet are feds hip hop. Feds hip hop. Hip hop dia.
Ndichipio struggle chine no chiface amarao zvino ancha chiface at this level that you are.
Come
music,
struggle chino chiface and to introduce too much. I had to introduce myself maybe 10 times petuti. Ndi zvazvino zvisimple uri kamsindi wanoro rimboranga ukuthi uridziwe guy. Even though zisatu vakaila level ine maybe mumwe onotarira wanga dera vakadito chanta. But things are kind of simpler now. Kama funga music submission, kama funga ori the end recorder umwana umwe. I think now I'm known well enough when I know the introduce as yet of necessary.
Ndishikabara ndi batondi.
Ndiyawana na city ya panda panda. Ndiyawana city ya panda panda. Just that I'm kind of big, so the siraba. If you get what I'm saying.
Oh, what a punch.
Yeah, so the Sarah in the Zori. Zanoba simple, man, and mapunga longevity, mapunga ori, ronatangana sana batu bati. They end up recognizing you, they end up knowing you. Nakazaradi they end up calling you for new music. You understand? This is some an aspiring artist. You push out to that extent. Yeah, you push out to that extent in a compiler will have to call you Ari. Music I'm so guy. You understand? You have to be that.
You make the radio.
Yes, you make the radio exactly.
Yeah.
As we obvious story in no ina. As we obvious zazodoteya. Zongoro mangazi. You understand?
What makes Batondi a great artist?
I'm a chilled man. I'm a chilled man. I'm an accommodative man. Atinya jizito. Nori no sajere santa zitu. Just balance ati. So I know what I want as well. Chachibona muzichinga azibona ari runyage ami kamjita ti. But zinozangindori ndiwe is to make sure that I stay relevant. Atinya jizito. I stay communicative. Ndizira ndiko make sure richenda kuchitoda ndichitoda ndichwani.
information ingone ndi yapthog.
Information and atinyadzi. Atinyadzi. I am not a man with pride. Who reveal pride yanyage akagame ya but atinyadzi I do listen. Chimwana usapindura udodi wasingopindura mara upfandi vandopfu. Chimwana ndaziya apply silently. Zvashuma ngozwa. So that makes me
Mbudziso yori ndifetu unjuni rono fani ngo beefiwa. Zingo ziko da indirect, zingo ziko da direct. Mara wine sa generate sa reply as part ya game.
Ni part ya game mara niyaona ka game. Let's say it's a football game. Udivana zvistereka rana vatamba vukati nami as a playmaker nami and muthu anotamba vukati uno provide or stereka rachikora. They don't really recognize that person. You understand? So then they go to decide kutamba vukati ndava a silent nigga. The reason why beefy vachido make sure vamention dzina lelo is because they see the nigga is a playmaker. You understand? So then they make sure they write lyrics for it.
So without you, the game would not exist.
It wouldn't be as exciting as it is, man. There's the word so beefy was beefy about me winning and stuff.
Mara mumtaji kona nganda uri batondi mara asino tumedzunga ni wiki nyana kana.
No. At the end of the day, I bet was strong no week because one of my doing social media. Just go on as the unbrand blind. What the prove in strong. Cause in no namse no fumora. But have a different strong can weekend. So it's better to leave them in suspense. So was go from the goal. I mara ile go to muricha. Name I don't know. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know if I reply on a beef would they tell me. Was one but for me, for peace sake, so for I don't have to go out there and then the embarrass. It's an chibamba mapungwane. The first and then the diva passy, she could decide to go to the no found because of the divanta because of replying beef, you understand? Plus, I'm a grown man. I don't game so one go second the business go record matambas, you know. As you can represent us about the car relationship is the builder.
Like audience target
exactly business people I mean na ino Mbudziso zvino behind the scene ndori marathon ndina nombra minito imba wa matamba. You understand? I'm not trying to buy you though. They got ambra then for as necessary.
So the minute na bononga chiko tibera uri vaimbiva venda bame national ngabunji.
Since na ndo maningeji ndibona ngari arikare blame sa unity man and as zone is reality ndi auri muthu uti vana team is strong in aba dedicated nesa muimbi I don't have to know uri no one sign collaboration na MT. I don't have to know uri ndiko perform at the Ben White yami. There has to be a big team in yako divo kuita
ayo team ni kwamba signing kana management.
It can be a management, it can be a signing.
Okay.
So abukuma ndizori ngo bana batukana bakoso family vaduma ati vaduma ndikamba atukamba batukana bafela batukana bani ngo babona
you see my money,
you understand wo black we didn't know those guys but vachijana game in the same time ndo for you behind the scene nomtanga one ngoti mukuru. It doesn't matter or in Mvenda muzulu nomumini so Venda arena is Venda the investors that believe in music they don't really believe in music ngonomveza so this is understanding man they have met people vaneba kusembeza vachinga vakodo funda kana the brand BATONDY but I could see uri vako doubt vadivusori zvizombuyisa children ngonomveza so we've tried nga hela album ya Altered Beast zvizera zvovanana nefala ndizorikoleka team ranga sizviite rivararo ndingo ngonomveza rikoleka team iri dedicated and then ngasije muthu wavenda nari inini kuri chazveno koitana vane busy nikupusha brand ya BATONDY. They don't really believe in that. They don't really believe in that. So vatu vangange no Josie, they know these things. They know what they want to invest ka BATONDY vado vironga mini one wo pusha stu. So Venda I wanna believe yes. Venda we have tried.
Una producer onyongo amba ngange.
Ngoya kwamba nguzisa.
No, but the main thing is it's not always about investment. It's also about who do you work with, who do you associate yourself with.
That's what I started with.
When I'm talking about that, niya konota kuwanana na shumana matonga pala gia. Kobon. Niya konota kuwanana na rini Josie guy nichiwana vanhu kana vanji vavhenda niimba nga kugurupu nidzwani gurupu everything iva nga kugurupu hafa zva zvigurupu vatu vakonomuvha vakonotodoshuma navamwe that will do a big part
so which means you come back to the unity thing
la
unity
inokombonga uyu kwamba gang ine okay vatondi crew crew ya vatondi una Gale una awizi una nyona nyine ezo zviya tauri for blind ngori rineri kuchimbira nga gang yasho ngokonomvesa but direction yo yamthayoni iva ikokona if you remember rechita tabrin muna roita zore surprise blind of people they never thought
lineup was so crazy
ngokonomvesa so reality ndi yauri uko there but behind the scene not necessarily investment but unodiwa uri rofara muzika so uri kuisa guy uri regione ka interview ya so
which means rikoshota vatu vane vana knowledge
exactly
your music business rivura mavoti guy
wazibona lucky enough now I'm studying that shout out I'm studying that so and the one ndichikotoma vachibhumba ndi behind the scene so but I think I'm one of the lucky niggas man ngori nazvo zvinokostart I'm the only vendor person who's studying that so it's a blessing in disguise zvambaro muzika ungatocheri uya papetu
ndichipio chikiri chine nijionga muimbi muna mutu vanacho either ukotomo jinanga muzika kana onomaka muzika
zvikidaka upusha kana kotova
any skill
or the skill that you must have
the skill that kwamba koimba kana main
chikiri chine mtu wa muimbi atova nacho kana an aspiring artist ni patience perseverance zvitadesa amanda usapera mbiru ezvitu zvitadesa amanda usapera mbiru zvitadesa amanda uri mutu atende umwe achinga kuitwa chidaira achidiwa uri eno kunyaka mini you have to master that aringori vaiva vebhari aringori vaiva dito tanyawa ti you have to balance that you have to be a patient guy muzikani nitosvika une natodiviwa nitosvika une vari vachinivona vasicharira abe ndinyi you have to be patient exactly ngori nemari dodakai noudodina approach ndisandivi I don't even know what you do narisho vatondi
ngori now comes a diviwi
you understand mazanofara plug ya channel or ngotoday muna abadza music video revata
masani ngodo scouter
ngokonomvesa so you need to be a chill person aringori vatendo doworitsiwa but you need to be like exactly kazvibalansiwe ndizvo zvino rokwambaro niyatecheresa umwe nitotecheresa pedzina zvapindura you never know uri yo information ikotonitosanga zvipi but be patient, be a patient person.
Una mtu konyongo jena ka muzika mara hazvibonisa a job kasamusha mshumo nari 9 to 5 do you think you can make it when you have that mentality ka muzika kana you just
nisa zvibonisa mshumo because ezvo zvinvested chipinga zvinvested chipinga so if you invest your 9 to 5 kauya mshumo na ushuma one na divoro zvina mara
dedicated
ngokonomvesa rine we spend na chipinga chine achingotaya I slept at 5 today I slept at 5 ndichiko record Lord knows rumzeka kuyo guy but for me I feel like the sense that I get changing the one of my music remuneration yachipinga chienda chinvest so that simply means ina ranisa ngodivudza rozidoni badere zvitu it's better neliche zvinhu ngari you can't be balancing ngokonomvesa kana ndofunesa zvitu so it's better you stop now if you are not in it to win it.
Ndazingojena kalonga manda mara drolivava ngoranti kudziswa ngomwe petu. 3 awards last year tanusamapa or brand ya Batondi nazi yawo zora zvino what is the next level?
You know the problem is ezvi aranono toba nondo godombera kachitu when you do something because you love it yezo zvimwe remuneration dzinodanga tungo andichatovana rudzi jera ntama ndi hamwa no
ngupusha
ndina awards za 4 mama I even forget kurwane I forget or I've got 2 Limpopo Music Awards if I forget or I've got 2 Tshivenda Music Awards so for us to describe they don't really describe me And then when it comes to the winner hip hop, I go cherish it because it's what I've been doing. Yeah, it's what I've been doing. You understand? This is another because it Mara award I ain't describe. They don't really describe me. I've been a winner since the day yenda bisaluimbo ratike so mtu otoma I believe or ni blind.
Yeah, 100%.
I'm still a winner. Ndoita luimbo no vichita gongwa to believe or hey umtanga kwamba and niggas tried to do the same thing.
Yeah.
Zasa
That's
heavy go konomveza. So chiwa chipinga no appreciate hezwi zwithu zituku zweno kuzwiwana. Hezwi zwirane zwichida ni vona no dowera. So for brand yabatondi obviously uzikonaka man, we're getting nicer every day, we're getting nicer every day. But brand yabatondi zvino iko to an extent ya uri ibe senga manda na knowledge ya music.
Yeah.
Not
just releasing music.
Yeah. Ito kono tusa vatu. So like I've got BATONDY Entertainment now. Yeah. I'm not saying I'm gonna sign people. Mara don't outsource. Are you gonna pay?
Oh, for the services.
Yeah, for the services, yes. And the information you saw, you're gonna pay. So brand BATONDY iko engela to more mature side. So mara muzika to visa. We're gonna be dropping music. It's gonna be way cleaner now, man. Either way, brand is serious.
Yeah.
It won't be based in vendor only. The communication, the networking, and this is when I started to reveal like just that Mbudziso Thwii.
Mbudziso Thwii.
The information here I ain't going to bear but the way, but you need to know it though.
Yeah. 100%.
So BATONDY is coming in a big way, and they're going in a blind. They're going in a Amanda. Who push you?
2025. What do I expect? I mean, album, music, videos.
What I've realized these days, waste.
Okay.
Because they can stream.
Yeah.
Now on one view. And like ningo corners Amanda but out there, but
yeah.
The appreciate the shows another embe vanoko to very. Yeah. Nisongofunesa ubvisa nyimbo dzinjinji. Arina chipinga chotecheresa. People don't have time, you understand? So they have one song, and they come back and then that's where they are gonna Google or check your music. Do you get what I'm saying?
100%.
Yeah, wanandi moruti neri komekedzero one. Unanyimonyizisa takadzimara.
Yeah.
Riamangara riko dzi ngokono.
Ndomedziwa dzone.
This this Jenny. But yeah, unanyimonyi mara likombori rimba nato fani to taru ko ni jena ti.
100%.
Then the next thing, boom. Ineriko to do for umuno need ezito. Zimwe nyimbo zaone dzigayi.
Na niko danga imwe wewe.
Ngokono mpesa maniko danga every then we are fans. Ngora. So 2025 BATONDY bako dropa sa toro iko sala marawa teretere to. But under for is go deep and the drop. Nyimbo ni manje. We are always recording. We're always recording. This was zone as to kudzisiwa. Uri this year ni wenye wedani.
Yeah.
It's winning on winning. You will push a man the different angle. You'll be seeing things, man. You'll be seeing things. BATONDY as a brand, I got suffer as you go go.
Cool. Mbudziso Thwii. Aunana zwinga BATONDY. Ndoamba ndari aingana fisesi, aingana fesi, random questions. Boom, Mbudziso Thwii. This is a boy man Gale used to do this all the time. B-Town Mayor, ngangembra ndichita yo. Dinema.
Shout out to the I had this back on radio.
We are out.